Oh! Oh! Yep. Alright, so we're down here at a private dam in northeast Melbourne, fishing for hopefully silver perch or maybe yellow belly or Australian bass. This dam is stocked with all three of those species, so we'll see if we can get onto it. Bit of bread for the pooch. Do you like scrunch it up or like make it?
You just sort of just go like that.
Okay. Yeah, right. How big is like a piece? Oh, yeah. That's probably what the yellow belly eat. So I got the jitterbug on. This is the, I think it was the 70mm version. I think it would have been. So, see how that goes for the bass. Jonesy's fishing. Oh, Bill's just sight casting him. Couple of bust ups from the silver perch. I don't like my odds. My piece of that was a big one.
That was aggressive.
Oh, another boil just on the other side of the lake over there. Yes, finally. Bill's got a fish.
Surely double up.
Oh, he's a good fish.
Good fish.
Gee, yeah, hang on. Watch out, dog. Yeah, come around. Here we go. This is going to be the thumbnail of the YouTube video. Good one. Silver perch on bread.
On the bread.
Floating bread. That's how it's done. So dope. They're still busting up. I'm not 100% sure if there's a right way to do this, but I've just been doing something like that, just so that there's nothing going on. Busting up all over the drain here. See if we can get this to. That's a good cast. Oh, Bill. Heaps. Heaps and heaps. Come on, take the bread. Oh, at least. Oh, they're so close. Oh, they're literally just one by one taking them. Mine's got to be the next bit. There's no other bits of bread in the water. Oh, Jesus Christ. This is ridiculous. It's absolutely ridiculous. I reckon I've seen about 25 bust ups in the last like 5 minutes.
They're coming on the shoe.
Yeah, big time. Another one out there.
Oh my god.
They're like, oh, there it goes. Yeah, got him. Got him. Yes. Woohoo! This is what we came for.
Seems a bit scratch.
Yeah, he's a good.
Look at that one film too.
Yeah, grouse, mate. Oh, geez, he's got a bit of go about him. Picked up by him. Ah, what's the
Could be right.
dog?
Good going, Dip. Good silver.
Good little one there
Solid fish.
on the bread.
On top water bread.
So
Just same before the
not bad. I'll get this hook out of him. Oh, there you go. Oh, that was gross anyway. Jeez, he broke off me hook. Yeah, this line's pretty close to had it.
Yeah.
So, good thing he got off when he did. I mean, look at this action in the middle. This,
That's a bass.
that's like, because I saw little insect things and then when I buy property one day, if it doesn't have a dam, I'm just going to dig one. Hire like a 20-ton excavator for the day.
Yeah.
Just dig a dam.
Oh man, that's just a dream. Imagine just having, it's like a paradise.
Oh, it's grouse. So much surface action. I can see shit going off everywhere. Oh, so many boils out there. You should get that on that popper bill, I reckon. I'd love to get a bass off the top though. Ooh, fucking hell. Oh! Oh! Yep. We're on. Fuck yeah. Shouldn't swear. PG video must have bleeped that one. Ah, that was nuts. Yes. Wow, that's grouse. That's the first topwater hit I've ever got. That's mint. Oh, look how small he is too. Yeah. Yep. I might I'll probably get him off here. Oh, settle fella. Watch out, doggy. Oh, oh, got away.
That's the least.
Oh well.
Yeah.
Still got the hit off the top.
Nice.
Bloody oath, that's grouse. That's such a good feeling when they hit that. It's like poof. And they just run with it.
That's a good stuff too, like that.
Yeah, no, that's mint. Get on the popper bill.
Good stuff, yeah.
Handy. First hit I've got on the first fish on this lure. I missed it too. I was looking at where you hit the bloody wall and then I poof. Oh, there's another perch out there. That's grouse. Oh. Pretty much. Oh, good bill. Yeah. Yeah, he doesn't like the dog. No. No, dog. Yeah. When you've got the light on, they look a little bit more goldy than silver, don't they? Yeah, no, nice. Alright, so I just finished up here at the dam. Ended on a couple of perch on the bread and little bass off the top on the jitterbug that we didn't land, but still got him. Reeled him in. So yeah, overall a pretty good session. Catch you next time.